All right, kids, welcome back to Take from 10 Shopping Day 4. This is our last day of 2-digit by 2-digit. So make sure you are really good at this today because tomorrow we start 3-digit minus 2-digit. And that one gets a little bit tricky, but I absolutely love it. So let's practice 2-digit minus 2-digit today and get really super good. Make sure you're practicing. Just a short little video isn't enough practice, so make sure you're practicing afterwards. All right, quickly push pause and write down all the answers to the close benchmark, and then press play to check your work. All right, 37's next 10 or close benchmark is 40. 94's next 10 or close benchmark is 100. And do you remember what 100 is also called? That's right, it's called the big benchmark or the BB. You'll see that on our work. Okay, 8's next 10 or close benchmark is 10. 62's next 10 or close benchmark is 70. 85's next 10 or close benchmark is 90. And 40's close benchmark is 40. Remember, because it ends in a 0, it already is the benchmark. Remember, we need to be really good at close benchmarks. We used them for picture proof, so they're the same thing. All right, now practice your renaming, or remember this is also called break aparts, and you've been practicing break aparts. So break apart your 81 and your 63 and your 42, your 60 and your 73. So break them apart and then check back. All right, 81 equals 20 plus 61. 63 equals 50 plus 13. 42 equals 30 plus 12. 60 equals 50 plus 10. And 73 equals 30 plus 43. Hopefully you got all those right. And now let's solve some problems just to make sure you're really good at them. All right, 52 minus 25. Again, pause and then just check with me to make sure you got them right. All right, 52 minus 25, we write minus 25 on the bottom because that's what we're actually going to be subtracting. And then right above the minus 25, we put the next 10 or the close benchmark. So this is our CB or our close benchmark. Now we're going to rename 52 as 30 plus 22. We don't do anything with the 22, so we just bring it down. 30 subtract 5 equals 5. So 22 plus 5 equals 27. Great job. Hopefully this shopping, is making a lot of sense to you now. Hopefully you haven't just memorized this, that you really are thinking through it and know why it works and how to do it. 63 minus 24, we're going to minus 24. And what do we minus 24 from? The next 10 or the close benchmark. We now rename it or break it up 63 apart into a 30 plus 33. Bring the 33 down and 30 subtract 24. Remember, there's our partners to 10. So it's 33 plus 6 equals 39. Great. All right, 81 subtract 14. We put our minus 14 down, and we put our close benchmark, 14's close benchmark, right above it. Rename 81, so it's 20 plus 61. And bring the 61 down. 20 subtract 14 equals 6. So 61 plus 6 equals 67. Great. 93 minus 39. Remember, put the minus 39. And put its close benchmark right above it, because this is actually the part where we have to do a little bit of subtraction. Rename it as 40 plus 53. Bring the 53 down. And 40 minus 39 is 1, because anytime you subtract the number right before, the answer is 1, and 9's partner is 1. 53 plus 1 equals 54. Great job. 27 minus 8. Put the minus 8 over on the other side of the equation, and the next 10 above it, which is 10. Break apart 27 into a 10 plus 17. Bring the 17 down, and 10 subtract 8 equals 2. 17 plus 2 equals 19. Great job. Once you get pretty good and understand what you're doing, these are actually pretty efficient. Much more efficient than the picture proofs. All right, minus 34 equals minus 34. Remember, what do we put above it? We put the close benchmark, which is 40, and then rename it 40 plus 10. Make sure that's a true equation. Bring down the 10, and 40 minus 34 equals 6. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. Great job. 63 minus 46. Well, just put minus 46 over there with the close benchmark above it. 50 plus 13 is how we rename it. Bring the 13 down. 50 subtract 46 equals 4, and 13 plus 4 equals 17. Hopefully you're pausing and doing all these, and then just checking to make sure you have them right. Minus 38 equals minus 38. Put the close benchmark above it. Rename 83 as a 40 plus 43. And bring it down. 40 subtract 38 equals 2. And 43 plus 2 equals 45. Kids, great job. Practice, practice, practice. Tomorrow it is 3-digit minus 2-digit, and I love it. So practice up and be ready for that tomorrow.